was summer 2012. Got this photo on the shelf of you and I. Our friends knew you and I would end. At the end of the month, we said we would run, but then your ride came and they took you away. You were mine till the end of summer. Each day that I passed by that place, I wondered, could we try again, recover? Or was our love only for the summer? The summer, the summer. Oh, you were mine until the end of the summer. You were mine until the end of the summer, summer. Just a couple 100 miles will separate us for a while, but I believed that we would be back at the end of the year. But it's like you disappeared and you moved on, gone. A new season has dawned. You were mine till the end of summer. Each day that I passed by that place, I wondered, could we try again, recover? Or was our love only for the summer? The summer, the summer. Oh, you were mine until the end of the summer. You were mine until the end of the summer, summer. You were mine until the end of the summer. Oh. You were mine till the end of summer. Each day that I passed by that place, I wondered, could we try again, recover? Or was our love only for the summer? The summer, the summer. Oh, you were mine until the end of the summer. You were mine until the end of the summer.
I hope you guys have enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a huge thumbs up and tell me what your favorite part of this spread is down below. This spread just screams birthday and I am so here for it because it is going to be my 22nd birthday on this Saturday, which I'm so excited about it. If you can't tell by the Taylor Swift quote, I don't know about you, but I'm feeling 22. It's literally the only time you can actually use that quote. And I don't even know the entire song. I don't even know the song. I just know that one part of the song and I'm totally going to abuse it this week when I do so many posts on social media about me turning 22. And I'm definitely going to take more pictures of the spread and then post it on Instagram. So if you're not following me on there yet, you should do it now. It's going to be linked down below, because if you're obsessed with the spreads that I do and if you want to like see other things that I take pictures of, because I take pictures of a lot of stuff. I blame my dad for like getting me into photography at a young age, and I got lots of pictures on Instagram, so you'll definitely want to follow me on there. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed the way this turned out, and thank you to Nikita BX2 for commenting in one of my last videos. I really appreciate it when you guys comment. It always makes my day, and you can also let me know in comments down below what other videos you want to see on my channel. I'm working on some art journal videos and continuing the Reckless Journal series on this channel, so if you want to see more of those types of videos, let me know in comment down below. And if you comment down below, you will be shouted out in next week's video. And since you made it to the end of this video, you get a sneak peek of next week. So next week is the start of some fall kits because fall is coming and I'm so so excited because that means I can get back to drinking hot chocolate and not be judged. And so next week I'm going to be using this foil fairy tale kit from Whimsical Plans. I told you I ordered a lot of kits from Whimsical Plans. This is one of them. This one is foiled. So this fairy tale kit is so gorgeous. I love the fall feel of it. I love the bows and other little tidbits in this spread. So if you're interested in seeing when I do post this video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and turn on the post notifications so you get notified every single time I post a video, and so you officially become part of the Ivy League. Until next time, this has been Ivy. Thank you for watching. Hopefully I see you in my next video. Bye!